Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall an app or program or a game or whatever on your computer on Windows 10. It's really easy and it shouldn't take a lot of time, so let's get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is be on this page right here, which is our main screen, our desktop. And we are going to go down on this search bar and just type in control panel. Now we are going to either open up our control panel, or as you can see right here, I have my recent uninstalled program. For the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna go through the control panel. Let's make it big. And now you can see right here under programs, we have uninstall a program. Here we are going to click on uninstall a program, and it's going to give us a list of all of our programs that we have on our computer. Here we are just going to find whatever program that we want to uninstall. For example, I want to uninstall iCloud. I'm just going to double click it, and here I have the option of either repairing it or removing it from my computer. I'm going to confirm that I want to completely remove it, and I'm just going to click the uninstall button. Now I'm going to click yes, and as you can see, it's uninstalling from my computer. iCloud for Windows has been successfully uninstalled from your computer. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. Now you can uninstall whatever app that you want to uninstall from your computer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.